Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to make chalk without using plaster of Paris, white cement and any mold. So now without wasting much time, let's make our chalk. Let's go. For making chalk, I am using half cup of lime powder, 1 tablespoon of baking powder. At last add water and mix it well until it looks like a dough. So guys, when it starts coming together, then knead it with your hands. So this is the perfect consistency we need. Now take some dough and start making shapes of it. You can make any shape you want. Once you are done with your shape, let it dry for the whole day. So guys, I made so many chalks and this is one of them. So now it's time for the testing. So guys, you can see that it works like real chalk. So this means that you can also try this at home. So that's all about today's video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Till next video, bye.